Hi and welcome to my channel. I am preparing a playlist for the AWS course. In this course we are going to cover content which will help you to pass the AWS Cloud Practitioner and AWS Professional Associate level certification. Before starting to this course, we need to set up an AWS account first. So let's go ahead and create our first AWS account. So in this video, we're going to use the free tier on AWS. That means for most of the hands-on labs, we're going to try to use as much free as we can. And I will tell you if there's a risk of you spending money, but most of the things that we'll be doing in this course will be free. Okay? So first you have to enter your email address, your password and choose an account name. So for me, it will be something like my name-AWS. Next, you have to select that we're going to use AWS for personal because we're just going to do it for training purpose. Then we have to provide full name, phone number, address and some basic details, as well as the postal code. Next, you need to enter your credit card details, and as you can see here, there's a secure verification that happens. That means that even though you're not charged for whenever you're using the free tier, they will temporarily hold on US dollar or euro in your currency as a pending transaction for 3 to 5 days to verify your identity. So this is something they will hold and reimburse verification. So if you enter your credit card here and see a charge, don't freak out. It is just an authorization. Next, AWS will confirm your identity by asking you for a phone number and send you a verification code. And finally, after verifying your accounts, you have to choose a support plan. And it will go with basic support, which is free, and you don't need any kind of support because you're learning AWS right now. So let's complete the sign-up. And we are now signed up with AWS, so we'll click on Go to the Management Console. And here, you have the possibility to enter your root user email, so the email you used to subscribe with. And then, finally, enter your password. And you're now logged into the AWS console. Congratulations, we are almost ready to get started with this course.